Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The gold dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair gained 1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.8% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices settled higher but posted its fourth straight quarterly decline as investors worried that the sluggish global economic activity could impact overall fuel demand. Saudi Arabia's plan to cut its output by 1 million barrels per day will come into effect from July. China's ruling Communist Party appointed Central Bank Deputy Governor Pan Gongsheng as the bank's party secretary, a move the Wall Street Journal said would be a prelude to becoming governor. Wall Street closed last night sharply higher and the dollar softened as investors closed the books on a solid quarter, with data showing progress in the Federal Reserve's efforts to tame inflation.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT, the Dutch Market Manufacturing PMI at 0500 hours GMT. The Australian unemployment rate will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.